Okay, boys and girls, today is the day that we take the 1975 Pontiac Grand Prix for its first drive in 33 years. This is exciting. Got the plate and the registration ready to go on. The weather is roughly okay. A little cloudy, but temperatures are down fairly cool. So it'll be a good day to test the operation of that car after sitting for so many years. We'll talk a little bit about it when we get in the car and get going down the road. So stick around. Let's get this thing on the road.
Nose coming out of here. Okay.
It's the first time in 33 years, guys. So we're not going too far. It spent a couple months in the mechanic shop. I had my buddy Wayne go over the whole car and make sure that the brakes worked, the fuel lines were good. We did some work on the transmission. You can go back and look at those previous videos and see what it is that we did, or Wayne did really, to make sure this thing performed. So I don't want to go too far on this first ride. Like I said, first time on the highway in 33 years, and I want to make sure that I am not going to have to walk too far home. So one of the things that some of my automotive friends reminded me, you know, we drive a modern car. We drive a BMW 3, and that thing is stiff and it's powerful and it has great suspension and it rides on rails. This is not that. This thing is old school floaty. So we're on a long straightaway, and I'm gonna goose it. Gonna give her the goose. Did not hear the secondaries kick in. I don't know what that was. We got up to 60 in a hurry. A big old 400 Pontiac V8 in it. Okay. Transmission is shifting. May need some shocks because the shocks are over 33, 34, 35 years old as well. So we may need to do that because we got a little bit of wallow. We did put roughly 12 gallons-ish in the car, 7 gallons in the car, maybe So we're running ethanol free. I've always run ethanol free since I've been running it in storage. Yeah, she wants to wander across the pavement here a little bit. Got a little bit of vibration. We did repack all the wheel bearings, so we did check the ball joints. All of that is good. I'm not imagining there's anything wrong with that. All right, let's turn around, and we're about a mile and a half from home. I don't want that first ride to be too much more than this. All right, just discovered our first problem. The left blinker does not work. There's the secondaries. There's the downshift. So Mrs. Rust is sitting next to me, helping me film, and she said when she got in, and she hasn't been in this car in 33 years either, and the first thing she said is, wow, these chairs are comfortable. They're nice and soft and pliable. The BMW has nice seats, but they are bolstered and they are stiff. They are not designed to be driving like your living room down the highway. Had a friend of mine tell me that I will relearn very quickly how soft and pliable the suspension in this car is. Because we're so used to driving modern cars. Oil pressure is 50. Yeah, 50, 60, which is good. Water temperature is coming up. It's roughly 180, which is where it should be. It's good. Volts are 12 and a half, which is good. Fuel tank says it's full. I know it's not. So my right blinker does work. My left blinker does not work. There's something we have to fix. She's definitely shifting. Just brought it from third into second. There's first. There's second. There's third. All right, she's definitely shifting. I like it.
I'm standing there going, why didn't I put my winter coat on?
Oh, she is floaty.
Mm-hmm.
You want to go open that garage door for me?
Mm-hmm.
Or drive it in?
Or drive it in.
Yeah. This was our only car for years, and as big a boat as it is, nobody knew anything different back then. And Lynn, when we first got married, this was the car she drove to work. This was the car she drove to church. This was the car she drove to go shopping. It's almost scary now. Tight squeeze in here. That's a big car. Big car. Stops. And we're home. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're going to do some more work on this car, the Mustang, the Jeeps. We've got a lot of stuff coming. Subscribe, stick around, come back. I will see you in the next video. Love you guys.